Hey, officer. Can I sit on your lap?
Jax, what did you just say?
I mean, can I sit on your laptop?
This car's getting a fine.
Arrest your barber
Excuse
for
me?
criminal negligence on your haircut.
Oh, man.
Yes?
Will you marry me?
You are a bird. How can I marry you?
Don't let things taste anymore.
Jax, you seriously need to stop flirting with me.
Then arrest me, gorgeous. I only break laws when it comes to loving you.